As anticipated, dire GDP numbers from Europe yesterday forced gold to break through 1420 support, with a weakening euro-dollar pair providing a catalyst, and it smashed through the 1405 target level, making a low at 1387. Japanese GDP was released this morning, showing Prime Minister Shinzo Abe's stimulus attempts is paying off, and this should provide short-term fundamental support for gold, as Japan are a large importer of the metal. Possible downside pressure on gold today may occur at the US market open, as computer giant Cisco Systems posted better than expected quarterly results in aftermarket hours, which could set a bullish tone for equities. Now let's just take a look at the 4-hour chart. As you can see, the 4-hour chart here, the decline has lost momentum, and this is illustrated by these long lower shadowed candlesticks. In particular, these two side-by-side bullish hammers does indicate a possible reversal is on the cards, and also with the RSI dipping below 30 down here, signals that it is in oversold territory. Strictly speaking, it is a bullish indicator once the RSI reaches back above 30, but just be aware that a retracement is possible as the RSI approaches the 30 level. So it's best not to be greedy during a retracement, because do remember we are in an overall bearish trend still, but a Fibonacci retracement usually provides a good target level. So pulling the Fibonacci retracement level down from the start of yesterday's decline down to the low, we have a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level, which would take us to around 1403, 1405. So that is a feasible target level. You could put your stop just below the low at around 1386. Alternatively, if you don't want to risk that much money and you want to place a tighter stop loss, you could zoom into the 5-minute chart. And as we can see, since this morning we have a series of higher lows on the 5-minute chart. So this is a higher low, a higher low, a higher low, another higher low. So you could place your stop just below one of these higher lows. But just be aware that if you are placing a tighter stop loss, you may get stopped out before price moves in the anticipated direction. So just be aware of that. Taking a look at the 15-minute chart, again, the chart illustrates how downward momentum is losing, and we have seen today short-term resistance at around this level, depicted by this red line. But we are seeing this morning, we are seeing higher lows. We have had a test at around of today's short-term resistance at 1397. So a breakthrough this resistance level could make the 1403, 1405 target levels very, very possible. So just be aware that a reversal is on the cards. Be aware, later tonight we have the weekly US jobless claims and US building permits, which could impact gold. In the meantime, trade carefully, and I will see you again tomorrow.